अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today I'm going to tell you the truth of life. एक ज़िंदगी की हकीकत बयान करने जा रहा हूँ. It's in Urdu but I will also tell you in English. ये उर्दू में है but मैं आपको इंग्लिश में भी ज़रूर बताऊँगा. This lines written by Tariq Aziz 2013. ये 2013 में लिखी गई थी लाइनें, जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस्ड हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा इंसानों से अलग हो गया था. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. इंसान देकर तंज करता है, इंसान देकर तंज करता है. Human being gives and then taunt at you. It means whenever anyone give you anything, he or she will definitely taunt at you or criticize you. It is a human fact. मेरा रब सब कुछ अता करके आजमाता है. My Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take exam by giving everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives everything just to check you, just to give you opportunity. What will you do? First, in my first line, if someone gives you anything, he or she will definitely taunt at you or criticize you. इंसान कोई भी हो, देकर हमेशा तंज करता है. This is my experience, so I'm going to share with you. मेरा रब, मेरा जो अल्लाह है, जिसकी मैं इबादत करता हूँ, जो मुझे ज़िंदगी, मुझे सांसें देने वाला मेरा रब है, वो मुझे सब कुछ देकर आजमाता है कि मेरा बंदा कैसा है. How is my man? Allah gives everything and see how is the human. What will he do? What will she do? वो क्या करेगा? ये अल्लाह आजमाता है, देकर भी और लेकर भी. इंसान देकर पछताता है. Listen carefully. इंसान देकर पछताता है. गौर से सुनिएगा. इंसान, whenever a human gives anything, he regret. If a human gives anything, he always regret. He regret because he gave anything to you. वो इसलिए पछताता है कि आपको दे दिया उसने और उसके बदले आपको कुछ नहीं मिला. Because in return you didn't give anything to him, her. That's the reason she regret. People think if we are giving anything, in return we have to receive anything. It's a rule. It's a human fact. Okay, so इंसान देकर पछताता है. मेरा रब देकर भूल जाता है. My Rabb, my Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives and forget, but human never forget. Because he want to criticize you by saying, oh, that time I gave you something. Oh, do you remember I gave you something? These type of sentence you always hear from a woman. That's the reason I always say, don't ever take anything from a woman, from your brothers, from your sisters, cause maybe in your bad time, in your difficult time, they will say, oh, I gave you something. Do you remember? Do you remember I gave you something? This is a real life story. Cause I have everything. I have everything. But people said to me, this is not yours. My brother said to me, oh, Tariq, you are nothing without me. I helped you. I helped you. I gave you. These type of sentences I heard many times in my past. In 2013, when I got married, I didn't have anything. My brother helped me in marriage, but still he is taunting at me. He is criticizing, because whenever we think this time is good, that is our bad time. So think about this. सोचिएगा इस बारे में. इंसानों से उम्मीद लगाना छोड़ दें. Don't depend on humans, depend on Allah. Okay, so hope if you ever ask or beg anything, so don't ever beg anything to human, because we are all selfish. Even I am a human being. I proudly say this. We are selfish. Cause why we are selfish? क्यों हम मतलबी हैं? Cause we always think about our interest. हम सिर्फ अपना मतलब, अपना फ़ायदा देखते हैं. If we give anything to our brother or sister, we always think first our interest. हम पहले अपना फ़ायदा देखते हैं अगर हम अपने भाई या बहन को कोई चीज़ देते हैं. Without any reason, without any greediness, you will not give anything to other. आप कोई चीज़ किसी को नहीं दोगे. So this is the true of life, true picture of life. So please don't mind, because what I observed I shared with you. मैंने जो भी महसूस किया, जो भी मैंने सीखा, जो भी मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, I shared with you. It is my experience I shared with you. ये मेरा तजर्बा है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ. That's the reason I never say to anyone, give me something. Even if I don't have anything, I beg to my Allah. I cry in front of my Allah. I never cry in front of any woman. I cry in front of my Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give me better than everyone else. हर किसी से बेहतर मेरा अल्लाह देगा, तो मैं उससे क्यों ना मांगूं रो रो के. So hope you don't mind, and Allah Hafiz, take care.